So we'll discuss about the electrochemical cells. Okay, the name of our chapter is electrochemistry. So what is that electrochemistry? It is related with the interconversion. It is what? Interconversion of energies. Which energies? Chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, or electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. So which energy is created or is converted into which, that we will understand. Okay, and what is the phenomena that is called? Okay, so electrochemical energy or electrochemical cells that are consist of two metal plates. Okay, इसमें क्या होता है generally? It consists of, so I will write here electrochemical cells now. So it is consist of very first, that is two metal plates. It consists of two metal plates. इसमें क्या होने चाहिए? दो मेटल प्लेट्स रहते हैं. उसमें क्या रहते हैं? दो मेटल प्लेट्स रहते हैं. ओके, और कार्बन रॉड. ओके, मेटल प्लेट्स रहेंगे या फिर कार्बन रॉड्स रहते हैं. ओके, कार्बन रॉड्स. ओके, कार्बन रॉड रह सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लेट. एज वेल एज these electronic conductors are dipped into electrolytic or ionic, they are dipped in. Okay, they are dipped in the electrolytic solution or electrolytic conductor. Okay, electrolytic or ionic conductor. Okay, so they are dipped in a solution. Okay, वो solution में dip किए जाते हैं, electrolytic solution बोल सकते हैं. Okay, ionic solution, ionic conductor बोल सकते हैं. Okay, so they are dipped in this. Okay, so electrochemical reactions. Okay, what are the electrochemical reactions? Do you know about electrochemical reactions? Okay, what is the reaction involved in a transfer of electron from one chemical species to the another species? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? किसी को पता है? I hope you have studied in 11th standard. What that reactions are called as? मैंने बताया आप लोगों को, इसी चैप्टर में बताया what that reactions are called as. That are called as a redox reaction. Redox reaction, where this is what? Reduction takes place. Okay, one part reduction and one part where it is oxidation. Okay, where it is a oxidation takes place. So when oxidation takes place, okay, when the electron, okay, when the loss of electron takes place. Okay, so loss of electron is related with the oxidation process. Okay, I think I have already explained about this. When sodium Na it loses its one of the electron. Okay, that is Na plus. Okay, and the charge that is occupies is Na plus. So it is a loss of electron, and reduction is what? It is a gain of electron. Okay, so that we will study here. Okay, redox reaction, that are called as the redox reaction. So electrochemical reactions are made of oxidation and reduction half reaction. Okay, oxidation and reduction half reaction जिसको बोलते हैं. Okay, the oxidation half reaction occurs at one electrode and the reduction half reaction occurs at the other electrode. तो क्या होता है? दो इलेक्ट्रोड हमने बोला है ऑलरेडी, दो प्लेट्स बोले हैं. ओके, सो one reduction half reaction takes place at one electrode, and at other electrode the oxidation half reaction that takes place. Okay, so this is called as a redox reaction. The net cell reaction is then the sum of these half reaction. Okay, तो ये जो हाफ रिएक्शंस हो रहे हैं. ओके, ये जो हाफ रिएक्शन हो रहे हैं, एक रिएक्शन हो रही है रिडक्शन रिएक्शन और दूसरे हो रही है ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दोनों को क्या करते हैं, अब ये करते हैं हम लोग दोनों को नेट रिएक्शन कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो वी कैलकुलेट अ नेट रिएक्शन. ओके, एंड दैट इज द रिएक्शन. Okay, net reaction for this sum of the half reaction. Okay, so it is based on the electrodes, kind of electrodes. Okay, it is based on the electrodes. Okay, so we'll see what is electrode. Electrode क्या होता है वो देखेंगे हम लोग. So electrodes are what? These are the surfaces on which oxidation and reduction takes place. तो जो भी हमने डिफाइन किया है रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन जो होने वाली है यहाँ पे, ओके, रिडक्शन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन, वो कहाँ पे होने वाली है? वो होने वाली है इलेक्ट्रोड के ऊपर. वो कहाँ पे होने वाली है? इलेक्ट्रोड. That will takes place at the electrode. Okay, so what is electrodes? So electrodes are the surface on which oxidation and reduction half reaction takes place, and These electrodes may be, okay, may or may not participate in a reaction. Okay, तो ये जो इलेक्ट्रोड है ये पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है रिएक्शन में और नहीं भी कर सकता है. Okay, so the electrodes which do not take part in reactions are called as an inert electrode. Okay, so I will write here the electrodes which do not take part, which do not take part, okay, which do not take part in a reaction, okay, that are called as inert electrode. Okay, that are called as inert electrode, because आपको पता है inert का मीनिंग क्या है, which will not react. inert electrode उसको क्या बोला जाता है, inert electrode बोला जाता है, inert electrode. So electrode, or on the surface of that electrode the reaction will take place. It may take place or it may not take place. Okay, but when we talk about inert electrode, अगर हम लोग inert electrode की अगर बात करें तो that electrode will not take part in a chemical reaction. Okay, वो reaction में part नहीं लेगा क्योंकि वो क्या है, inert है. Okay, inert है, which will not react with the given solution. Okay, so the electrodes are what, जो है एक है कैथोड, ओके, इलेक्ट्रोड, और दूसरा है एनोड. सो कैथोड, ओके, कैथोड इलेक्ट्रोड, कैथोड है, इट इज एन इलेक्ट्रोड एट विच द रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट इज द इलेक्ट्रोड, ओके, इट इज द इलेक्ट्रोड एट विच, ओके, एट विच रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, जहां पे क्या होगा, रिडक्शन होगा, रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. Okay, so what is the cathode? It is the electrode at which reduction takes place. जहां पे reduction होगा उसको बोला जाता है cathode. So at this electrode the species undergoing reduction, the species undergoing reduction, it gains the electron. Okay, it gains the electron. Okay, so it gains the electron. At this electrode the species undergoing reduction gains electron. So I will write here species undergoing reduction, okay, undergoing reduction, okay, it gains the electron, gains electron. Okay, now what is anode? Okay, what is anode? Okay, what is anode? Anode क्या होगा? It is the electrode, okay, it is the electrode at which oxidation takes place. Okay, it is the electrode at which oxidation takes place. तो ये important है, आपको पता होने चाहिए. Okay, the reduction takes place. Okay, reduction, oxidation takes place, and the species undergoing oxidation loses electron. Okay, and the species undergoing oxidation. Okay, the species which is undergoing oxidation, it is, ये gain करता है electron, तो ये क्या करेगा, loses electron. Okay, loses electron. Okay, in this way you will have to remember. Okay, so कैसे याद रखते हैं, कुछ आप फॉर्मूला वगैरह बना लो. सपोज कैथोड है C, reduction. Okay, reduction, and the species will gain the इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, लाइक दिस, ऐसे कुछ शॉर्ट फॉर्म आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज क्या है ना, बहुत सारे कंसेप्ट है, कैसे याद रखोगे. सो ऐसे कुछ याद रखो. C इज फॉर कैथोड, R इज व्हाट, रिडक्शन होता है. ओके, कैथोड में रिडक्शन होता है, ये ऐसे याद रखो. एंड G इज व्हाट, उस स्पेसिस क्या करेगा, गेन करेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, एनोड ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, और वो स्पेसिस क्या करता है, लूज करता है इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो ऐसे कुछ ट्रिक आप बना सकते हो. AOL CRG, C is for cathode, R is for reduction, cathode में reduction होगा, G यानी वो स्पेसिस क्या करेगा, गेन करेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन. बराबर है ना, क्योंकि बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. बिकॉज when we are studying about इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल एंड वोल्टाइक सेल, तो दोनों में अलग अलग है थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट. तो इसके लिए ये वाला कंसेप्ट याद रखो आप लोग. ओके, CRG, C is for cathode, ओके, R is reduction, G is gain of electron, A is anode, O is oxidation, okay, L is loss of electron. Okay, in this way shortcut trick है, आप जिसे याद रख सकते हो. So based on this we will study tomorrow about the types of electrochemical cells, कौन से हैं and their descriptions. Okay, so thank you. कुछ डाउट है?